Tinatayang 40 katao ang namayapa pagkatapos umatake ang mga grupo ng lalaki na naka-combat figures sa isang concert hall na ginanap sa Russia. Aside from that, tinataya ding may mahigit na 100 tao ang pinapaniwalaang na-trap sa loob ng building na nasugatan. At least 40 people have been killed, injuring more than 100 others by a group of combat-figured gunmen at a concert hall held in Moscow, Russia. The Moscow mayor described the attack as a huge tragedy. State authorities are investigating as terrorism.